Grab the deal, understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, grab the deal. It's a common expression you might have heard in shops, online stores, or in advertisements. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it in your daily conversations. When someone says, grab the deal, they are essentially inviting you to take advantage of a special offer or a discount that is currently available. It implies that the offer is attractive and shouldn't be missed. Think of it as if someone is holding out a special gift to you, and you just need to reach out and take it. This phrase is often used in marketing and sales. It creates a sense of urgency, suggesting that the deal is too good to pass up and might not be around for long. It's an informal way to say, this is a great opportunity, and you should act quickly to get it. Let's look at a few examples. The store is closing soon, and they're looking to clear stock. Grab the deal before it's too late. During the holiday season, many online retailers offer significant discounts. Keep an eye out to grab the deal. When you find a great purchase at a low price, you can tell your friends to grab the deal. It's a way to share good opportunities with others. Similarly, if you're selling something and want to make it attractive to buyers, you can advertise it by saying, come grab the deal now. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, grab the deal. We hope you found it useful and that you'll be able to use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Remember, it's all about seizing good opportunities when they come your way. Happy deal grabbing, and see you in the next video.